How to fix iPhone not connecting to MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using a certified Lightning or USB-C cable, and make sure to avoid cheap third-party cables as they often fail to sync properly. You can then try plugging into a different USB port on your Mac. Next, go ahead and unlock your iPhone and check for a Trust this computer prompt. If prompted, tap on the Trust option and then enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. Now, on your Mac, go ahead and open Finder, and in the sidebar, your iPhone should show up, and if it still does not show up, then go ahead and restart both your MacBook and your iPhone. A quick restart often resolves sync or USB detection bugs. So, restart your iPhone and your MacBook and then try connecting again and see if that fixes your issue. And if not, then go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of Mac OS and iOS. And if not, then go ahead and open your Mac OS and your iOS by going to Settings and then tapping on General and then on Software Update. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if you are trying to connect your MacBook and your iPhone through AirPlay, then make sure both your MacBook and your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and by now your iPhone and your MacBook should be connected. So, this is how you can fix iPhone not connecting to MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.